Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the web development series. In today's video, we are going to learn something very important. We will learn how to build reusable component using the Tailwind CSS in the React. Now, this topic is very important because earlier we were building UI using the Tailwind classes directly, but real applications are not built by copying the same div again and again, and real application use the reusable component. And today we will learn what reusable components really mean and how to build the reusable button, how to build the reusable cards, modal, alert, and how to think like a real developer. Also, complete PPT and source code are available in the description below, so make sure to check that. So let's start. Now, reusable components are the UI block. You can use multiple times, like in the normal programming language, we write the functions for the reusable code. In React, we write the reusable component. Examples for that is like buttons, card, modals, alert. These are very just common examples in the React. Now, very important here is the earlier we write like a normal button class name bg blue, and this a normal class that is a styled UI, but not a reusable system. Reusability means structure define the once, and the styling control the internally, parent control only the data. So let's see in the VS Code. So this is a basic React project, and in the this Tailwind is already installed in this project. Let me split the screen first. And inside this, I write here the app. In the app.jsx, we have a normal div, and inside this we have 3 buttons. But if you see here, these buttons are not the normal one. So these are the components. So I just make a new file button.jsx. I already write the code for saving the time just for. And inside this button, we are taking these props. These props are the variant. Variant is primary by default, and the children. So here variants means the if it is a primary, then show this apply the class here btn btn primary. Else if it is a secondary button, apply the again same btn class and btn secondary here. If it is a danger button, means a red color button, then apply here btn or btn danger, because in mainly generally project application we have 3 main buttons: primary, secondary, and danger. Means if anyone creates a UI, that means only in the whole website or in the whole mobile application we have the same UI, means same theme. So for that we are just make the first classes, means Tailwind classes here. For this setup means we write a reusable classes using the @apply, and use this layer components, and inside this we write the classes px4, py2, rounded, font, medium, transition. This is for all the buttons. And for the primary button, we just change the UI bg blue, text white, and hover its color is changed. For secondary button, bg is gray and text black, hover gray. And for the danger button, we write here bg red 600, means red color, and text is white. So here in this we are making a button, normal button. Inside this we are applying the class name based on the variant. If it is a primary, then apply something btn primary. If it is a secondary button, then apply this btn secondary. If it is a danger button, then apply this. Else nothing, means I'm not send anything here, then it's apply this variant dot primary, and also children here. So here for that we have to just call this button component. Inside this give the pass the props here, means variant props, that is the primary, secondary, or danger, and give the this children, means here children means this one here, children refer to the this text, click me, save, or delete. This is called a children in the React. So when you see here in this project here, if you see click me, save, delete. If I want to make it let me make it one more button, and this time I'm not giving anything. So this, let's say random button, and inside this I get the random button as a primary, because I already defined here the variant primary default one. Now let's come to the, and also here the parent does not send the full class string, means here we are just sending the variant, we are not sending any the classes here, and button decide the styling based on the variant. Now in this use button we use the 3 times primary, secondary, integer. So this is called a reusable component. Now why reusability is important here? If you change the padding in the road between, means in the, let's say you are building the UI, and and after some time you want to change the, something in this padding or margin, or change the font styling. So instead of changing the editing the 20 files, 20 buttons again and again, just apply here, and all buttons update automatically, so that cleaner code, scalable system. This is how real projects are built. Now let's come to the reusable buttons already done. Reusable card component. This is also similar to the button. Like here I have a card component. Inside this I am getting in a card what are the main essential thing: title, description, and a button. That button is for the read more or submit or these cancel, means anything. So for that we need it. First we have to make a card that's means a normal styling, bg, white, shadow, md, means reusable card. And inside this card structure is fixed all the time, but content is dynamic, means title is different, description is different. So we are using the children and inside this for buttons, and now use it in the app.jsx file. Just to see here the card component. This card component takes a title, is the React basis, and the description is the learn fundamental step by step, and it takes a button. That button says read more, means we are using this button component here also as a reusable instead of making again and again. So if you see here I get the read more, a card is this. So I can also build one more card for the, let's say JS basics. Now I get the JS basics card, and so instead of making the this writing again and again this div and styling again and again, or copy change the styling, if you want, just you have to give here the change the styling at a one place. Don't use means we have not again write here something in a different cards. Now next one is the reusable modals. Modal is also one of the main component in the React. So here we have the const modal. Modal is open, on, close, and children. Children is the means what you want to show in this modal. Like in the when you sign up, means it's when you submit a form, a modal open. When you get any error, a modal open. So that this is used here. Like here, just make it one comment. So here what happened? Yes, now it's uncomment. So here in this modal I am set a div, and inside this we have a fixed styling, fixed inset 0, bg black, bg opacity, flex, item center for justify center, for making in center of the page, and this is for the internal content. So this is a normal styling of modal. Now comes to the UI. So when I close this, open modal, close modal, open modal, close, open, close, means we are using, if I want to make so here if you see we are sending the children here, means for the this is for one criteria, means one let's say one part. If I want to use it many times in our website, then I have to write this again and again. No, I have to just write this modal, this component, and give the but just change these internal content here h2 or paragraph tag and use it anywhere, means make it a reusable function. Next one is a reusable alert component. Alert component is like this is also comes into the uh, necessary component in a website. So here we have again same variant, whether is success you want to show, error show, or warning show, means you are submitting form, you get an error, and then instead of giving writing a here just in the form, just use a component, and you can use the same component in the login form, sign up form, or contact form, or in means in anyone in the your website. You can use just write a single one and show the things. Like here I have the three alerts for success, error, and warning. I have to just give the variant success, variant error, variant warning, and inside this I'm just make a object for success. If the variant is success, just give change the styling by bg green 100 and text green. If it is error, then bg is red. If it is warning, then bg is yellow. So let's see here again. See, this is a how it is very good looking. I means this is alert on the forms we are using. So structure same for everyone, but only variant change. This is a reusable patterns. Reusable modal done, alert done. Now earlier we discussed something important, that is the normal CSS you write everything manually, and Tailwind utilities you write classes directly in the JSX, like I writing here p4 rounded. But uh, at the rate apply here, where is it? Yes, here at the rate apply you group the Tailwind utilities, means you are writing once and use it everywhere in the anywhere in the project. And a React component you control the structure plus logic, like here we are controlling the structure plus logic here also. And so some best practices for this is use utility for the layout, use at the rate apply for base reusable styles, and use the React component for the logic and abstraction. And do not use overuse the at the rate apply, and do not move everything to the CSS. So let's summarize this what we learned today. What reusable components are, difference between the variation and the reusability, and how to build the reusable buttons, card, modal, alert components, and how Tailwind plus React work together in a component wise. So now you are not just writing the Tailwind, you are building the component system. So that is for today, and now you understand how to build the reusable component properly using the React and Tailwind. This is how a real front-end application architecture, means you have to just use the component and use here in the main file. You are not writing everywhere these styling again and again and div. And if you practice this approach, you will think like a developer, not just a UI builder. And complete this PPT are available in the video description. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to JDCodebase, and if you have any doubt, comment in. And in the next video, we will go deeper into the building more scalable UI system. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.